Okra, a nutritional powerhouse. Okra is a true gift from nature. This often overlooked vegetable is a powerhouse of nutrients. Okra offers a wide range of health benefits. From boosting your immune system to aiding digestion, okra does it all. Add okra to your diet today. Okra comes in two varieties, green and red. Both types are equally nutritious. Don't let its fuzzy exterior fool you. Inside lies a world of flavor and health. Okra is low in calories and packed with fiber, making it a great addition to any weight management plan. Many cultures around the world have embraced okra for centuries. Now, it's time for you to discover its potential. Join us as we delve into the wonderful world of okra and unlock its incredible health benefits. Okra from farm to table. Okra thrives in warm climates and is a staple in many cuisines. Originating in Africa, okra has become a global ingredient. It is enjoyed in various dishes from stews and soups to stir-fries and salads. Okra has a unique appearance. It grows on a plant and resembles a long green pod with a pointed tip. When cut open, okra reveals small white seeds coated in a sticky substance called mucilage. This mucilage, often perceived as slimy, is actually a source of okra's many health benefits. Don't let the texture deter you. There are numerous ways to prepare okra that minimize its sliminess. From grilling to sautéing, the possibilities are endless. Let's explore how to prepare okra in a way that suits your taste. Conquering the slime okra preparation tips. Many people shy away from okra because of its texture, but fear not. There are simple ways to minimize the sliminess while preserving its nutrients. One effective method is to cook okra quickly over high heat. Sautéing, grilling, or roasting okra helps to evaporate excess moisture, resulting in a crispier texture. Another tip is to soak okra in vinegar or lemon juice for about 30 minutes before cooking. The acidity helps to break down the mucilage, reducing its sliminess. Don't be afraid to experiment with different herbs and spices when preparing okra. Bold flavors like cumin, coriander, and chili powder complement okra's unique taste. With these simple tips, you can conquer the slime and enjoy the wonderful flavor and health benefits of okra. Okra, a vitamin and mineral treasure chest. Okra is not just delicious, it's a nutritional powerhouse. This humble vegetable is packed with essential vitamins and minerals that are crucial for maintaining good health. Okra is an excellent source of vitamin K, which is essential for blood clotting and bone health. It is also a good source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that boosts the immune system and protects against cell damage. Furthermore, okra is rich in folate, a B vitamin that is crucial for cell growth and development, making it especially beneficial for pregnant women. In addition to vitamins, okra is a good source of minerals like potassium, magnesium, and calcium. These minerals play a vital role in maintaining healthy blood pressure, muscle function, and bone density. The magic of okra water. Here's a secret weapon in the world of natural remedies: okra water. This simple concoction, made by soaking okra pods in water overnight, is gaining popularity for its numerous health benefits. Okra water is rich in soluble fiber, which helps to regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for people with diabetes. The fiber in okra water also aids digestion by adding bulk to stool and promoting regular bowel movements. Okra water offers several benefits for women. It's rich in vitamins and minerals that support hormone balance, aiding in regulating menstrual cycles and reducing PMS symptoms. The high mucilage content promotes vaginal health by maintaining natural lubrication and preventing infections. For pregnant women, okra water provides essential nutrients like folate, crucial for fetal development and preventing birth defects. Its low-calorie, high-fiber nature helps with weight loss by promoting satiety and healthy digestion. Additionally, okra's antioxidants and minerals can enhance libido by improving blood flow and overall vitality. To make okra water, simply wash and trim the ends of 4 to 5 okra pods. Cut them into halves and soak them in a glass of water overnight. In the morning, strain the water and drink it on an empty stomach. You can add a squeeze of lemon juice or a teaspoon of honey to enhance the taste. Okra for diabetes and digestion. Okra has long been recognized for its potential to help manage diabetes and improve digestion. The soluble fiber in okra plays a significant role in these benefits. Soluble fiber slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, helping to regulate blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that okra extract can significantly reduce blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. Furthermore, the fiber in okra acts as a prebiotic, promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. This improves digestion, reduces bloating, and promotes regular bowel movements. Incorporating okra into your diet can be a natural and effective way to manage diabetes and improve your digestive health. Okra, a boon for women's health. In addition to the previously described trending okra water, okra in general is a true superfood for women, offering a range of benefits for women's overall well-being. From pregnancy to menopause, okra can support women through various stages of life. Okra's high vitamin K content is also beneficial for women, as it plays a crucial role in bone health. This is especially important for women who are at an increased risk of osteoporosis after menopause. Furthermore, okra's anti-inflammatory properties may help alleviate menstrual cramps and discomfort. Incorporating okra into your diet. Adding okra to your diet is easy and delicious. Its versatility allows it to be incorporated into various dishes, from stews and soups to curries and stir-fries. Try adding chopped okra to your stews and soups for added texture and flavor. Roasted okra, seasoned with your favorite spices, makes a delicious and healthy side dish. You can also batter and fry okra for a crispy and satisfying snack. Don't be afraid to experiment with different cuisines and recipes to find what you enjoy best. From Indian curries to Caribbean stews, okra can add a unique flavor and texture to your meals. Embrace the power of okra. Okra, the often overlooked vegetable, is a true nutritional powerhouse. Its impressive array of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants offers a wide range of health benefits. From managing diabetes and improving digestion to boosting the immune system and supporting women's health, okra has something to offer everyone. Don't let its unique texture deter you. There are numerous ways to prepare okra that minimize its sliminess and enhance its flavor. Embrace the power of okra and incorporate it into your diet today. Your body will thank you for it.